Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. So just now we have received the notification from the NTA is that, so this is about answer keys for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test 2020 NEET exam. So clearly it is given that the NEET UG 2020 has been conducted throughout the country on 13 September. National Testing Agency is now uploading the advanced answer keys for candidates for all the sets for their information. So what you have to do is, you have to go through this particular same, keep themselves ready for the challenges of the draft answer keys which will be published shortly. Which means, so they will give another notification about challenging the answer key if anything is wrong. But what you have to do is, whatever the answer keys are given with this notification, you have to see all those answers and you have to keep it yourself ready with the drafting the answer keys. Remember, challenges if you want to do anything. Please note that public notice is not for inviting challenge of the answer keys which will be done later on. Very important notice is that here you can see this is not of the public notice for the inviting the challenge of the answer keys. Remember that point. This is not for that. Here only we have to go through this particular answer key and you have to keep yourself ready for the challenges. Remember, if there is anything mistake if you have seen. So they have also told that therefore kindly do not email your responses or clarification regarding keys. Please wait for the process of raising challenges for the same. So remember, they will give you another opportunity maybe on 28th or 29th like that, after another 2 days. So they will give you another notification about challenging the answer keys. There you can log in and by using your user ID and password, then you can go for the challenges and the particular fees will be there. Everything, all those details, it will be released later. But here you can see candidates are advised to keep visiting ntne.nic.in for latest updates. Fine. So here in the next page you can see answer keys for F1 it is given. Correct? F1 it is given. Like that, answer keys for all those F1, set F1, so set G1, set G2, set H1, set H2, all those sets answer keys are given. If you want to check, please visit NTA NEET website, then download this particular PDF and later remember you can cross check with your answers. So whatever the question paper you have, you can cross check with that. But very important notification, share it to your friends also, those who don't know about this. So answer keys are released but not for your particular response. So you definitely you will get after 2 days your responses in your login ID. So till then you have to wait, and like this, so immediate notifications whatever I will receive, I will make my 100% effort to make that notice to reach to you. So hence please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.